How Domino's Pizza Carryout Insurance works and what to do next. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Domino's Carryout Insurance is a free program that replaces any carryout order damaged after leaving the store, such as if it's dropped, ruined in transit, or damaged by accident. And for coverage, you can simply report them via email or call the representative and send them the proof as well. And also free protection for most of your delicious asset pizza accidents happen. That's why they introduced carryout insurance. You can just take the pizza. If it's the pizza uneaten, then they will refund you or give you a new one. And this is how Domino's Pizza Carryout Insurance works. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.